In this lecture, I will show you how to add the logo and create the header menu for the admin homepage as per the user interface requirement. Here we have the application logo at the upper left corner here, and the header menu, the navigation here, the menu items for various management modules of the application. Come back to the project, and we need to put the logo image file under the directory src main resource C. So create a new directory, new folder here. The folder name is static finished, and under static we create another directory called images. So basically for Spring Boot project we need to put the static resources like images, JavaScript and CSS files under the static directory, and copy the application logo image here. Shop me admin small here. You can get this logo image file under the resources section of this lecture. So I copy and paste into the images directory here. Okay, and you can see the logo image shop me admin small.png here. Then update the index.html page here. Have a div section at the beginning of the page here for the navigation section, and we use a nav element for the navigation with the class name is navbar. This navbar class name is provided by Bootstrap. Navbar expand, so the navigation bar will be expanded by default, and the first element in the navigation bar is image, an image, and we use the attribute ghsrc here, points to the image file slash images slash, and then the file name here. Copy the file name, paste here. Okay, and save the changes and refresh the home page, and you can see the logo appears here at the upper left corner here. And we want the navigation bar to have a dark background, so we can use the CSS class named bg-dark and navbar-dark here, and refresh, and you can see the background of the navigation bar is now dark. Also, we want that the users can click the logo to go to the admin homepage. So we wrap the image here inside a tag here, a for a hyperlink here. So it will allow the users to click on the logo image to go to the admin homepage. And for this a tag we need to use a class name navbar dash brand for the branding of the application. And for the URL we need to use timelift syntax th:/href pointing to the home page at this slash URL here. Okay, and refresh the home page, and now you can see the logo is now clickable. Click on this logo, the home page of the admin section will be displayed. And next we need to code the menu items for the navigation bar using Bootstrap. We need to have the div section here with the class name is navbar dash collapse first, and then under this div section we have UL section for a list of menu items here. The class for the EUL tag is nav dash nav, and under this list we have list item li here, and the class name of the li item li tag here is nav dash item, and under this list item we have the hyperlink, the actual menu item here, with the class name is nav dash link, and then the text of the menu item is users, and the URL thsref slash users for the user list of the user management module. Okay, and refresh the home page, and you can see the menu item, first menu item users here. Click on this menu item and you can see it goes to the URL shopme-admin slash users here, but there's no handler method for this URL, so we see the white label error page. And as per the user interface requirement, we have the menu items. Top level menu items are users, categories, brands, products, customers, shipping, orders, reports, articles, menus, and settings. So we just copy and paste the list item here for other menu items. The next menu item is for categories, and the relative URL for the category management module is categories. Refresh and you can see the second menu items categories here, and the next menu item is for brands here. Brands, the relative URL is brands, and the next one is for products. Next one is for products, and the next one is for customers, customer management module. Relative URL for this module is slash customers. Refresh and you can see we have 5 menu items: users, categories, brands, products, and customers. And the next menu item is for shipping information. Shipping, relative URL is shipping, and the next one is for sales report. The relative URL is slash report, and the next one is for orders. The relative URL is orders. Orders is before shipping here, after shipping. Okay, refresh and we have the shipping orders sales report, and the next menu item is for the articles management module. The relative URL is slash articles, and the next one is for menu items in the front end in the shopping website. Menus here, URL is slash menus, and the last menu item is for settings. URL is settings. Okay, and refresh and we have all the top level menu items that are users, categories, brands, products, customers, shipping, orders, sales report, articles, menu, and settings as per the user interface requirement here. Now let's test the responsiveness of the admin homepage with the navigation bar with menu items here, showing the browser window, and you can see the menu items. Some menu items are hidden. That means it is not responsive. In Chrome browser, you can open the developer tools by clicking on the ellipsis at the upper right corner here, more tools, and developer tools here. Press the shortcut key F12 and click the icon mobile phone here to see the home in the mobile phone. Responsive, you can choose the phone model here. For example, I choose iPhone X here, and you can see the navigation bar, the menu items are not responsive. Some menu items are hidden. So we need to update the code to make the navigation bar, the menu items responsive. Okay, so here we need to update the class name navbar expand here. Add the dash last here. Refresh. Nothing changes. We need to add a button, toggle a button here after the brand logo here. Button with the class is navbar dash toggle. This here toggle button that allows the users to expand or collapse the menu items, the navigation bar. Type button and data dash toggle equal to collapse and data dash target is the ID of the deep section. Top nav bar, and we give this ID for this deep section, ID equal to top nav bar, and under inside the button we have a span for the toggle icon with the class name is navbar dash toggle dash icon. That's it. Save the changes and refresh. Now shrink the browser window, and you can see the toggle button here, and you can see the menu items disappear, and I have to click on the toggle button here to show the menu items in the drop down list here. And let's open the developer console to test the admin homepage in mobile screen. Developer tools, click mobile icon and iPhone X here, and you can see the homepage is now responsive with the menu items collapsed, and I have to click on the toggle button here to show all the menu items here.